Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channels and also most welcome back to our Factory Talk View Studio tutorial. So engineers, in this video today we are going to just discussing about height animation in Factory Talk View Studio. What is height animation? How to apply this height animation in Factory Talk View Studio? How to take any object, then you have to apply height animation in this object. So engineers, I hope you will be understand. So in this video today we are going to just discussing about how to apply this animation on height animation in Factory Talk View Studio. Like as when I have to press a stop button, then it will be disappear. When I have to just start push button, then it will be increase step by step. So how it is possible, how to do this height animation in Factory Talk View Studio. So let's come to the point and just discussing about height animation in Factory Talk View Studio. So when I have to press stop push button, then it will be disappear. So engineer, how to do this? Let's come to the point and just discussing about height animation in Factory Talk View Studio. So first of all, I have to just delete this object, and now I have to condition when I have to press start button, then the size of rectangle height is increase from bottom from bottom point from bottom point. Understand what I want to say to you? So after that, when you have to select any object, then you have to see drawing, go to the drawing, and then you have to choose rectangle option. When you have to choose any rectangle, then you have to drag and drop on your. Now I have to choose back color, and the color of the object will be green. Now I have to apply it and then press OK. After apply this green color, then you have to come to the point, start push button, stop push button, and height. And now it will be communicates with. Now I have to browse this option and go to the animation tab. From when you have to select this object, now go to the animation tab, then select height. In previous video also I have discussed about with animation in Factory Talk View Studio, but in this video today I am going to just discussing about height animation in Factory Talk View Studio. So you have to select height animation, then this pop-up will be appear in your in the front of window. So this type of it will be selected height. Now it will be highlighted this type of, and other will be unhighlighted, but height will be highlighted. When you have to select width, the it will be highlighted, but I have to select with height, then it will be highlight. Now there are expression where you have to give the tag, which type of tag you have to want to just take. So go to the tag and just select timer acc. Behind this concept I have to just make a small logic how to apply height animation in Factory Talk View Studio. So expression range is the where you have to just set mean and max properties in height animation. Like as use tag mean and max properties value, like as you have to just example of RTD. When the RTD temperature will be 35, then it will be 0 point. It will be when it will be achieve 100-degree temperature, then the height of the rectangle, right, height of the object will be increased. And second, I have to just use constant. What is constant? Constant is the value where you have to just give constant value, like a 0 to 30,000. And third is read from tag. Read from tag means there are two tags, one is min tag and other is max tag. Now you have to choose min tag, and other when you have to choose max tag, then you have to choose max tab, but in this video I have to choose only constraint tag, understand, but I have to just delete this tag in it. And now I have to choose use constraint from 0 to 30,000. 0 means what? I have to just describe about on it. So this is my small logic. A small logic is a start. When I have to press a start button, then motor will be run and motor will be start. A motor, when motor will be start, then timer will be start. Understand? From 0 to 30,000. 0 means accumulator value, 30,000 means preset value of timer. Let's come to the point. And HMI communication timer 1.acc use constraint from 0 to 30,000 and vertical changes. Vertical means this type of vertical is changes from minimum. Minimum means from which, from minimum you have to just select 0 from 0 to 100. At minimum the rectangle size will be 0. At maximum the rectangle size will be 100. After that, from which point it will be increased, from the bottom point it will be increased, then you have to apply it and then close. When you have to just apply this animation, then how to communication with FactoryTalk View Studio and how to communication between Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk View Studio. There is a one, go to the YouTube and now you have to select search the SUDRKTECH, then come to the point and just open my channel, and here we have to just 22 numbered videos. ठीक, FactoryTalk View Studio HMI and Studio 5000 communication. This is the important video about how to communication between Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk View Studio. So by this way you have to just, let's come to the point. And in a start push button there is a properties, and now we go to the connection like as HMI communication start. I have to just apply on it, and also I have to apply a stop push button on it. So also I have to just give animation on it like as height, a timer accumulator, use constraint 0 to 30,000, from 0 to 100, from bottom means it will be a increase from bottom. When I have to choose top, it will be increase from top, understand. So now I have to choose, it will be increase from bottom. So then I have to just apply it and then I have to close it. Then I have to save this and just test display. Now you have to just click on test display. When you have to test display, then it will be disappear. It will be disappear. It will be disappear. When you have to press start, it will be appear, and the height of the rectangle will be increased from bottom point. It will be, and also timer will be start. Then you have to just this timer, and I have to just close, minimize this timer, and also this type of, also you have to see the timer will be 24, 25 second, 26 second, and then 28, then 29, then 30. When I have to press stop button, it will be disappear. When I have to press stop button, it will be disappear. Now I have to start push button, then it will be appear and it will be increase one by one. Now timer will be also start one by one, 7 seconds, 8 seconds, after that 9, then 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14. According to the timer, it will be increase the height of the rectangle. It will be increase step by step, and it achieve 30 seconds, then it will be stop. And when I have to press stop push button, then it will be disappear. This is the height animation about a height animation in FactoryTalk View Studio. So I hope you will be understand what is height animation in FactoryTalk View Studio. So you have to also know about height animation in ActiveTalk View Studio. So engineers, I hope you will be enjoy this video. So engineers, next video I have to just discussing about other topics. Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe.